Okay guys, I've been out here working on the go-karts. That's the old Murray, Dustin's, and the green one out there. And I found an adjustable carburetor that will bolt onto the Predator motor, and I thought I need to show that to you guys because most Predators come with a non-adjustable carburetor. I mean, basically all you could do is just idle, and that's not good because after the second fuel tank full of fuel, it'll be out, you know, and it'll run like crap. But I got the carburetor installed. Let me get this other one. And now this is the one I pulled off. Now you see there's a plug right there, and that's where the adjuster normally goes. It's the air-fuel ratio adjuster at idle, and that plays an overall part in how this performs. And you know, that's why guys gripe for a long time that these things just never run right. Well, I'll do a close-up of this carburetor. Now you see the adjuster right there. It's right there, and yeah, this one still has a plug there, but that's the air fuel at idle adjustment. And I can't remember who I got this kit from, but let me show you the box. Here is the number that was on the bottom of the box, G758-VV637. Now, I don't know if that's the right number or not, but there is a number on the carburetor. And I don't have my glasses, so I can't read it. So hopefully you guys can read that. But that kit came with everything, including gaskets and all that stuff. Just for now, I set that screw right here right at 2 out. But when I get the rest of my parts in and get this thing back together, that's when I'll reset everything. But the better idle is what I'm really after, and throttle response, that'll help out on that. But I hope that helps somebody out. The numbers there on that, I hope this is coming through. I didn't bring my glasses, so it's a little too small for me, but I'm upgrading this, trying to get it to where it runs right. I did a previous video. I'm going to do a fuel cell on that side so it holds a buttload of fuel and can run all day. I'm waiting on brakes and stuff to come in, and a clutch. So anyhow, that carburetor, again, there's that number that was on the box. It was on both boxes that I had, and there's some electronics and other crap in there. There was a switch. It was a kill switch. Also comes with it. So, I mean, I got them on eBay. You can get stuff like that on there, and that'll be a big asset to getting these Predators to run right. So anyhow, guys, hope this helps you guys out, and we'll see you guys on the next video.